Alright, so we get some more train stuff unboxing. This is a Bricklink order that I've already been through a little bit. I need the parts out of it, but some cool stuff. This is the cover for a battery compartment on the old RC, the infrared RC before power functions. Got some more monorail stands, or stanchions I've heard them called. These look to be in good condition, because like these bottom part, they tend to warp or get bent if you're not careful, especially if you like plop them on a base plate and then try to rip them up. You will definitely damage those. Bunch of these guys, they're used quite prolifically in making trains. The rest of the logs for a set that I had bought the other day, I didn't have all of these. Let's just pour it out here. I got a couple power functions remotes, because I guess I sold mine at some point, because I can only find one. Only problem with these is, I don't know how much you can tell, they are dirty. Like all up in the slider switch, so I'm going to be, I guess, popping these apart to clean them, because they're pretty bad. But, well, okay, I've already checked the battery compartments, and these are both clean. That is the main thing. that is the most important thing. And these are about 10 bucks each. I've seen them go for more, but it was a decent price. I got more of these. I think these are kind of an older piece, where they have the numbers on them. I got 1, 2, 3, and didn't even know they had them. 4. So I use these for a couple different things, especially in like AquaZone mocks. I've got 3 of the submarine set. I can't remember the name of it. I'm gonna be kicking myself later. But so I number them all starting at 1. This is another AquaZone piece. And these are starting to go for a lot. And it's hard to find them, especially multiples. So I ended up paying 50 cents each for these. But I'm going to need them. They're on the sub, and they're just, yeah, I just went ahead and ordered them. Got some flex cable, ball joints. Always use more flex cable. That stuff is getting crazy expensive for like the actual rods or whatever. A couple of the smaller linear actuators. A power functions LED set, and a black terminal, whatever. The electric piece. In black, it's harder to find there. Some money, so I'm already starting to get my money back for this lot. And so the main reason I ordered this lot was to finish off this guy, which was in the last unboxing. And I'm still debating on, I've got enough pieces to do black on these sloped vent pieces, and then there's one here. But I left the blue on the other side, because I'm still not really sure what I like better. If I like it better blue or black, but I have enough pieces I can do either now. This one I'm still deciding if I want to update it to powered up, if I want to keep it power functions, maybe a dual motor power functions. Just still kind of trying to decide that. Basically got most of the pieces to finish the top here, even though it's not 100% accurate. Like these tiles are not technically the correct color, but whatever. So I finished that guy off, so I'm happy about that. So this is one that came in a couple days ago, and I'm waiting for the other package that it goes with, and I'm very upset about that. So you might be able to see. Oh, I didn't notice they. So of course this is the, I think it's 4559 9-volt train. Oh, and it's already coming apart. I actually started opening this and I was like, oh god, I gotta make a video. What am I doing? So I put it all back in the box. But if you'll notice here, it looks like the 9-volt motor, the tabs, these are bent. Yeah, they're broken. It's just gonna pop right off. And then the other side, oh okay, yeah, they are on the other side, so that's okay. But it does matter here which side they're on, but whatever. It's not too bad. So the sticker's not looking great there, but the pieces look clean. It looks fine. We've got our bonus here. I didn't see the sticker, but yeah, this wasn't in the picture online, but this is the truck that goes with the other. Here, I'll show how this works just in case you don't already know. Yeah, this all looks to be in great condition. So on this train, there's no front bogie here, and it would either connect onto the truck, which it's not wanting to do. I don't know if that's built right. Why is that square? So on here, you got a round tile. So yeah, just like that, and then that's how the train is pulled. Then of course you've got the other one here. Needs to be rebuilt a little bit. It's got some issues. Now what I'm debating on is whether to switch this over to powered up. And what I'm thinking is, this is just big enough, this top shelf kind of here, that a battery box could go there, and then try to snake the wire through to where it would go to that. So I'm still kind of debating on that. That could be cool. But I'm trying to build a layout upstairs, and I might do one loop of 9-volt track. Still debating on that, but I do want to do a switch yard that is 9-volt. That's what I was looking up videos on making a little switcher. So actually I got a couple model ones here. Little switchers like these. And this is my attempt so far, and ignore the colors. Just trying to get the shape right. And I put 2 lights on the back here, because I was watching a Jang Bricks, or is it Jang Bricks? Jang something. Watching his video on a switcher he made, and 9-volt is the easiest way to go. You just start stacking pieces onto the motor and you're good to go. You don't have to shove a battery box in there. I mean, you could get creative. What I could do is just have a naked 9-volt battery shoved in here somewhere, and then it could go to a power functions receiver, just kind of hot wired in, and then that control the motor. I guess you could do the same with powered up, but you'd have to disassemble the battery box to be able to do that. But I ordered on Bricklink, I ordered 8 9-volt switches, so I guess I'm going to try to make a little 9-volt switch yard, and some kind of little switcher mock, or I might just give up and try to build the one just like Jang's, because I liked his better than any of others I've seen. And for this train, I'm a little upset because I've been waiting to make this video for 4 days now. I ordered this lot, and I ordered another lot that just came with this and this, so I could make it for length. And they won't say it's lost, but it has not showed up yet. Even I've been calling the customer support line. I went to the post office yesterday and talked to them. They keep telling me, you know, I got an email yesterday that it was going to be delivered yesterday. It was on. Sorry, we made a mistake. It's out for delivery today, though, and it never showed up. Today's Saturday. I've got 2 other packages that are out for delivery, but that package still just, the tracking hasn't really updated in 3 days. So I'm really upset about that. I've been waiting to record this. Like I said, I started opening these packages, and I was like, well, I'll wait and do a video and do the video when everything gets here. and it hasn't showed up, so I'm just kind of giving up. Hopefully it's in as good condition as this one, but yeah, like I said, the train bug has definitely bitten me. And I don't know if I will ever financially recover from this, but this is going to be something I'm going to be working on for a while, and maybe do some videos on the layout. Not necessarily, I know there's a lot of people that do city builds and they do updates to their city and all that, and that's not really what I'm going to do. I'll have a layout in the living room set up on tables, and I might have some city sets on it, but for me, it's more about the computer controlled stuff and automation and just having fun with it. And it's more of a train layout, like a, with model train layouts, like there's people that they just kind of buy stuff and put it on a table. And then there's other people that go all the way with it and try to make their own mountains and trees and all that stuff. And that's what I would compare Lego to, for the people that build beautiful landscapes and mountains and all that stuff. And I'm not really going to do that. I'm just going to kind of pop some stuff on a table and then have fun controlling everything. So I guess for me, the trains come first, I guess. And yeah, okay, we got, looks like the original minifigures here. Yeah, they look good. Very cool. So this was one of those sets I looked at online or not online, in catalogs my whole life, and so it's really cool to see them in person and be able to play with them and to have it running around the layout. So that's gonna be a lot of fun. Eventually, I'll have the rest of it whenever USPS decides to deliver it. But if you have any comments, suggestions, anything like that, drop it below. I guess I am looking for advice on what to do about this guy, because this is my first train mock, so go easy on me. I'm just now learning all this, but I want a good little switcher like that, and then just get the layout set up. I got a bunch of stuff heading here from Bricklink, like a double crossover and a bunch of other stuff, so that's going to be a lot of fun once it gets here, but I think it'll be a while before all that shows up. So thanks for coming along for the ride. I wish I had the other thing to unbox too, but I'm just tired of waiting and for this sitting in a box where I can't play with it. So for the last clip of this video, I'm going to go upstairs and test the motor on the layout. So stay tuned for that.